Do I like orange? I don't think I like orange. Oh my god, guys. So, 3 main things that are a problem or just that I need to address before we start. 1, I got a fucking haircut. And it looks so good too. The fade she did, I like love the, I don't know. I love the haircut. It looks really cute. I didn't get my roots redone this time. I just got it like bleached. Not bleached, I got it toned and cut really good. So that's really cool. I look like a boy now, kinda. Anyways, next thing, I have a cold sore. Do you know how embarrassing it is to have a cold sore? Like, they're just so gross and annoying, and I just hate them, and I have one. And I'm trying to do a lip tutorial right now. Not a lip tutorial, but like a lip review. And this is just like a problem. So, here we are. Also, I've been listening to the Miley Cyrus album on repeat, and I haven't, and I'm like now kind of sad because I can't play it in the background while I film this, so. There's just like a lot going on right now. Okay, so anyways, today I'm gonna be reviewing the JEFFREE Star lip glosses. I think the day I'm filming it right now is when they were released. I think they dropped today, but I'm gonna post it up tomorrow, just because, yeah. So, I'm gonna get on with it. Basically, JEFFREE sent me the PR box. And I don't know, I get so much free makeup. The only brands I care that send me makeup is like Anastasia, MAC, a lot of the bigger brands, and JEFFREE motherfucking Star. Every time I get a package from him, it's like Christmas came early. I don't know, you guys know my obsession with him. But he literally sent me every single gloss and some extra lipsticks. So, and I already have every lipstick he sells. He sent me that, like a big package when I first put on the PR list. But anyways, I'm just gonna do a review on some of my favorite lip glosses from the collection. I'm just gonna pick out some prominent colors that a lot of people are curious about, and then I'm also gonna do that using a few of his glosses, and then I'm also gonna showcase the other colors that I think are like, I need to review this, like a black or a blue or what, you know what I mean? So right now, I'm just gonna start off and do my basic lip tutorial when I do my lips. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit as well. So I'm just gonna do that right now. You see this nasty ass cold sore? This is so embarrassing. Ugh. Anyways, I already put medication on it and it's pretty much going away. Anyways, so when I normally do my lips, I usually use the MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. It's a really good brown lip liner. So I'm gonna throw on this and then I'm gonna pick out a few shades that I wanna try that I would use for lip gloss. You get the point. Whenever I do lip gloss, I usually do this lip liner with my Morphe lipstick in this shade Shady. And I usually just do it around like the edges and then I leave the middle open and then I put the gloss on top. You get the point. These were the shades that I picked out for lip gloss right now. I'm gonna read them off. This right here is shade Ice Cold. This with this like, it's almost like a pink, brownish, goldish undertone. There's a pink and gold undertone, so that one. This is a straight pink, white, gold undertone, you know? You can see the vibe. And this is the shade Diamond Juice. This one is the shade Safe Word, and it's a gorgeous, greeny, goldy undertone, very similar to his Supreme Frost highlighter, and I forgot the shade name, but I use it a lot. It's like the gold one, you know. And then the other one is like a very nude, gray undertone lip gloss. Love gray undertones. This is the shade Legends Only. So I'm gonna try these out first, and then we'll get onto the crazy colors. So like I said, I'm gonna pop on my lipstick. It's like a really good gray undertone. But I hate my cold sore right now. That's okay, all I'm gonna look at, but I need to post this video, so it's like, who cares? Like, everyone else ignore it. I'm gonna use the shade Safe Word first, just because I think this is the prettiest one. Okay, this section's really nice. It comes in and out of there really nice. In case anyone's wondering, the lip gloss that I usually use is Marc Jacobs in the shade Daisy, I think. It came with the Daisy collection, and I love that really high quality feeling. This feels literally exactly the same. It's the perfect amount of heaviness that's not like too much. I love the applicator. I'm glad that he didn't use the concealer applicator because, on a real note, love the concealer applicator, but I broke it. Every single one that I bought, I broke. So, I don't think I'll break this. So I like this a lot better. But I'm just gonna put it on. Oh my god, wait, that color is so pigmented. I mean, so pigmented. Going in for another one to do the top lip, which is normal. I usually do 2 to 3, but I'm gonna just stick with 2. Oh yeah, bitch. fuck yeah. I love the consistency. It's not too wet. It's just like a decent gloss. Like this is just like a high quality like gloss. I don't know what else to say. This is really sick. I love the pigmentation of this color. Again, this was in the shade Safe Word. I probably should get like makeup wipes to like wipe off my lipstick. What the fuck am I thinking? I'm like the worst at like time management and planning. Like I'm like Tana if she was a beauty guru, you know? So I'm just gonna take off the center and I'm just gonna keep applying that lipstick. Next shade is the Diamond Juice. Not as much of a fan of this color, but if I ever need like a quick gloss that I know I could use, this is a really good one. It just seems like a very like clear, cute gloss, you know? I probably should show these off without lipstick, but I feel like you can kind of like, the middle part of my mouth does not have any lipstick on it, like this part right here. So what you're seeing right here, there's no lipstick. It's just mainly the outer edges, you know? So, and it's also how I wear it. And this video is for me to show you how I wear it, and the other colors are more so to show off the actual color. But you know what I can't explain shit well, you get the point. Okay, yeah, that's what I expected. Okay, so it's very, almost like a white, not like a white highlight gloss, but it's very much like a silver glittery gloss. Not my favorite, but quality is exactly the same as the other one, just like not my personal favorite for color, you know? But Diamond Juice is this shade. Next shade is Shock Mode. So I'm just gonna put that on. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god, my finger blister is so ugly. That's all I'm gonna be looking at this whole time. You don't make these gross faces when you do your lip gloss? This is the shade. It's a very pretty gold pinky undertone. You can't really see the gold in it, but like in the bottle it's goldish, but like on my lips this is like a bright pink silver undertone, you know? I'm gonna touch up my lip liner just a little bit. I went a little bit too dark, but the color I'm about to use is really pretty, so like it's worth it. I went a little bit too dark, but I wanna keep that center area open for this color. This shade is Ice Cold, and it's just a white lip gloss, and I'm so excited to try this. I didn't want to get any lipstick on here, just lip liner, so like, I don't want to like ruin this, so that's why I didn't put any lip gloss. I cannot talk, okay. Oh my god. I'm gonna go a little bit more just because I want this to be extra like colored, vibrant. I did an awful job blending this lip liner with this color. Should I redo this? I'm gonna redo this, hold on. Wait, you can see the color, I don't care. Look at that. I'm gonna do a swatch on my hand instead of redoing my mouth, just because I really don't want to redo my mouth. But, so if I were to swatch it on my arm, look how vibrant that is. Wow. Holy shit, that's crazy. So just to start off, I think I'm gonna do the shade of Midnight. Actually, I'm gonna do it right now. I don't care. Midnight Lick. I love black lipstick. Period. Love black lipstick. I used to wear it 24/7. I don't wear it as much anymore. I've been using more nudes, and I've been doing like a black smoky eye recently. But I have missed wearing it. I just haven't worn it in a while. And I used to wear JEFFREE STAR. This is gonna be awful to do this right now, but I used to wear JEFFREE STAR Weirdo every single time I wore black lipstick, but I ran out of it and I just haven't been wearing it as much, so I haven't ordered it, and I haven't been in a store, so I haven't had the chance to buy it. And I got a package. This is so bad to say. I got a package from Kat Von D, and she sent me one. And as of right now, it's the only black lipstick I own. And I want to make sure that his black lip gloss is put in a good light, because I know it's gonna be a good black lip gloss because it's Jeffree motherfucking Star. So I'm gonna try this lip. If I don't stop dropping it, I'm gonna try the lip gloss on. I'm gonna cover the brand. I'm gonna try black lip gloss on with a black lipstick, with it on top, as well as it by itself. So now that I put on black lipstick, I'm gonna put on the black lip gloss. Let's see how it looks. Round two. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay. By far, with just buying a triangle over a black lipstick, because that's what I usually did whenever I would wear a gloss on a black lipstick, or a black lip gloss in general, this is by far the best black lip gloss I've tried because it didn't move the lipstick underneath that was already dry. It went on very smooth. Again, did not remove the lipstick underneath, and that's one of my biggest problems when it comes to using lip gloss over like matte lipsticks. So you already have a check mark right there if you're somebody who really likes black lip gloss and you just can't find a good one that goes over black lipsticks. Get this. Love it. Just very simple, like a good black lipstick, you know? So for the shade Dirty Royalty, which is the blue one, I am going to be using his other blue shade, because I forgot the name. I thought this was going to be blue. Okay, I'm a dumbass. It matches with the shade I'm Royalty, so I'm going to start a base off with I'm Royalty of Jeffree Star and then put Dirty Royalty on top, because I know blues are really hard to perfect the formulas of, so I'm just not even gonna like try it by itself. I'm just gonna do it on with a lipstick. Lip gloss. Lipstick on bottom. Fuck, I can't talk. So because I am doing a layer on top of this, I want to do a swatch on my arm just to show the color by itself. So let's see. Okay, I mean, it's just a really pretty shade. Again, it's called Dirty Royalty. It's just like, formula is exactly the same, very consistent to the other ones. Really pretty. Not something I would wear on a daily basis, but it is just a really good lip gloss. So on to the next. That lipstick kind of stained my lips. Last but not least, I'm gonna use the shade Spank Me. This is so pretty. Like, do I use this by itself or do I use it with... I'm going to swatch it on my hand first and see how it looks on my hand, and then I'll determine if I want to put a color underneath or not. So... yeah, I'm going to do a color underneath it just so it gives that vibrancy. So let me... For some reason, I don't have Jeffree Star's like normal size pink lipstick, but I have his mini one, so I always use that. So I'm just going to use this for a base. Okay, so the pink base is on, and now I'm going to use the Spank Me shade. We already swatched it, but here we go. Oh my god, girl, he won. Jeffree Star won glosses. He won. W-O-N, bitch. Again, that's the shade Spank Me. This is the prettiest pink lip gloss I've used. Love the glitteriness of it. Ooh, so like, such Jeffree Star vibes. I would never wear this color because I don't really wear those types of colors, but like, I should more, but like I never just do. But this is just so pretty, dude. Didn't get on my teeth either. I'm gonna wipe this off and come right back. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show off some of my favorite options of his lip glosses that he released, and I didn't really want to sit there and go through all of them just because I want to put out videos that I would watch, and I'm not gonna watch someone do every single lipstick. So I just reviewed, and you already saw Jeffree's, so I don't know, I just reviewed some of my favorite lip glosses from the collection, gave my honest opinion, like y'all saw, I'm not gonna bullshit. But yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. My Instagram is EthanTheSupreme, as well as my Twitter is TRASHQUEENETHAN, as well as my Snapchat. So be sure to follow me on those. I'll be posting more regularly as I have been. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Yeah. Alright, bye. Oh, also thank you so much, Jeffree Star, for sending me this. You're one of my favorite people in the world, just period. I bought all of his shit before I was sent them it, and then now that I'm getting sent it, it's just crazy. I don't know. I love you, Jeffree Star. If you watch this, I don't think you will, but if you do, I will literally I'd be your slave. Like I would lick the floor. I would lick the dirt off your floor in your home if you wanted me to. So, yeah. Anyways, alright. Alright, bye.